Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how simple it is to make homemade organic buttermilk pancakes. You're in for a treat. This is an awesome recipe from my mom. The only difference is we add chocolate chips. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I have some cute little assistants helping me today. My daughters, this is Audrey and this is Juliet.
I'm 5.
She's 5 and they love making pancakes, so they're going to help. So you start with a big mixing bowl. And we're going to put 2 cups of organic flour. Now, this recipe is to feed my large family, so you may want to cut it in half.
Can I pour out one?
Yeah. Okay, tap it. Okay. Next is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Audrey's going to take care of that.
And then what am I going to take care of?
Make sure they're even. What are you going to take care of? You're going to pour the buttermilk when it's time. So we're going to mix all the dry ingredients first.
It looks like the same thing, but like the frosting and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Wait, not yet, not yet. First these ingredients. Okay, good. Okay, Juliet's going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is organic sugar, nice and even. Good, good. Good, don't shake too much off. All right.
Mix again.
1 teaspoon of baking soda. Let me help you because it's... Okay, now Audrey's gonna whisk away. That's all the dry ingredients that go in. Easy, easy. Okay, so next is 2 cups of buttermilk. This is organic buttermilk. And I'm going to tell you a little secret. You can make buttermilk really simple. All you need is 1 cup of milk and a tablespoon of vinegar. And you make buttermilk in a snap. And I do it all the time for these pancakes because I don't always have buttermilk on hand. And I promise you do not taste one bit of a difference. Try to find either white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. I would never recommend balsamic. That's probably one vinegar that would not work, but the others are great. Okay, so Julia is going to ever so carefully pour the milk in. Wow, that was fantastic.
Can I mix it? Since Roger mixed it.
And 2 organic eggs that I'm going to crack into a small bowl so we don't get shells in there.
Audrey.
Keep mixing.
I can't keep. Hey guys.
Okay, Juliet, you want to pour the eggs in?
Yeah. It's really easy to do.
Isn't it? And then we put some olive oil in there.
Olive oil.
About a tablespoon. And then we mix away with a whisk. Get some mussels into
Let me
that.
go wash my hands because I forgot. Oh my gosh, there's a cave. I can't even get out.
Go fast. Yeah.
But it always brings out of the bowl when I go.
All right, so she's going to get that mixed up beautifully, and then we're going to get our stove top going and cook these babies up.
Yeah, cook these babies up.
Okay, so you want to get a frying pan nice and hot. You put your
I
hand
get
there,
a frying pan nice and hot.
and you want to feel that heat.
And I'll feel that heat.
And I always cook mine in olive oil.
And I will cook mine in olive oil.
A couple teaspoons maybe, and then you want to kind of roll it
Couple
out.
teaspoons even.
Okay, all right. Do you want to get kicked right out of here? So you roll that around, cover the bottom.
Cover the bottom.
And in this house, we're about big pancakes,
Big
okay?
pancakes.
We don't do the little tiny stacks. We
don't do
the
a-
monsters. Can you stop
We
it?
did a monsters. I like copying you, Mommy. I want to be a star like you.
And they're thick, so you kind of shake it around the pan a little bit. And then we put the chocolate chips, which we're gonna have Juliet do, and she's gonna do a very nice, neat job. Right? Nice and neat. Spread them around. Okay.
No.
You want them nice and even. Okay. Now you don't have to use chocolate chips. You can obviously use fresh berries or apples, or you could put nuts, whatever you like. But in this family, everybody likes chocolate chip pancakes. So we're gonna let that cook. You want the underside to be nice and golden brown, and your batter is gonna start bubbling and popping. When it starts when the bubbles do start to pop, it's gonna be time to flip. So we're gonna zoom in closer and show you when that happens. You can see the bubbles here are popping, and it's looking definitely nice and golden. So we flip a nice, gentle, easy flip. Okay, with thicker pancakes, you always want to cut into the center and just kind of lift and make sure that that batter is cooked, because sometimes it'll be oozy on a thicker pancake and you want to make sure it's completely done. This one is done, so we're going to go ahead and plate it. Okay, so every pancake needs butter. Spread the butter all over the top. Some organic maple syrup, and some homemade whipped cream. Yummy! How are they?